Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on ultra wide mode on Snapchat. So first of all, just open up your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar, just search for Snapchat and make sure you are using the latest version of Snapchat application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. After updating, just open up the Snapchat application in your mobile, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner, and now tap on this gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down, and in the support section, just tap on this I need help, and when you are here, just tap on this search bar and search for this ultra wide, and tap on this first option, how do I use ultra wide camera, and now read this paragraph carefully and go back. You can see this normal camera mode. Now tap on this plus icon, and now just simply tap on this icon, and as you can see, the ultra mode option is now turned on. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.